Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do just a very quick and easy mod that I'm going to do specifically to my Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And the good folks over at Last Fit have provided me with this mod. This is actually to basically address the fact that our rear reverse lights are kind of not as bright as they should be. And that's because they use halogen bulbs. And these are new generation LED bulbs. So let's get to it and see what kind of difference it makes. And really, it's pretty easy to do. You just need a 10 mil socket on this bolt and these two bolts here. And then this whole unit should just be able to slide out. You should be able to jiggle it out. So now that you've removed the bolts and taken out the casing, you can see there's a couple of plugs here, and the one we want to get to is actually this guy right here. So I'm just going to remove that and plug in the new bulb. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to try not to use my fingers because the oils from my fingers could actually make the bulb not good anymore. So I'm just going to set that to the side and grab out one of the new bulbs. As you can see, very different. And all you do is you plug it in. All right, I really want you guys to see how this thing looks because it's pretty interesting. And you can see there's 3 diodes on that side, 3 on that side, and then it looks like 3 on top. So it provides a lot more lighting capability. All you gotta do is put it right back in there where you took out the old bulb, and it should be good to go.